Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to Telegram. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, in Telegram you can send messages to yourself or a group and never miss new leads. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the data source system, Google Lead Form. Next, select an action. Get leads, new. At this stage, you need to create a virtual Google Lead Form account in the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. Now you see the URL for receiving data. It is to this URL that new data from the Google Lead Form will be sent. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Ads Assets section. Assets section and select Lead Form. Now we need to select the lead form from which we want to receive new leads and go to its settings. We find in the item Other Data Integration options. Paste the copied URL. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After this, you need to send test data to the specified URL. To do this, click Send Test Data. After successful submission, click Save and return to the ApiX-Drive system. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so click Continue. At this point, you can see the test data we just sent to the specified URL. If you are happy with everything, click Continue. This completes the Google Lead Form data source setup successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination setting. Choose the system, Telegram. Next, select an action. Send message. At this stage, you need to connect your Telegram account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you can change the account name or just click Continue. Now you need to copy the bot name, find it in your Telegram and launch. Next, copy the line to connect the Telegram bot and send it as a message. After you have received a response about successful connection, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue configuration. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. You now see a message field where you can assign variables from the Google Lead Form. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only use variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. To go to the next line, press Enter. When all the necessary variables are assigned, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of data that will be sent to Telegram in the form of new messages for each new lead from Google Lead Form. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Telegram. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. At this point, setting up Telegram as a data destination has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.